Coca Cola is a multinational corporation that produces and distributes beverage products around the world. Its headquarters is based in the U.S. They have factories in over 200 countries and employ approximately 92,400 employees globally. Do you know? Coca Cola was not a drink but a medicine. Yes. You heard it right. Rarely there is any country in the world where Coca-Cola is not sold. But a rare fact is that Coke is nothing but sugar water. But the question is that, how can a company build such a billion-dollar empire by selling sugar water? So this story starts in 1880 when many doctors were busy in selling their medical portions. These portions are nothing but dangerous substances, which were sold in the market under the name of medical potions. At that time the most popular medicine was wine Mariani, which was used to relieve the pain. A person named John Pemberton became addicted to it. To give competition to Mariani he made his drink that was named French wine Coca. And today it is known as Coca-Cola. So French wine Coca was made of these two things. Number 1. Cola nut that contains caffeine. And number 2. Coca leaf that contains cocaine, but cocaine was removed from Coca-Cola in 1903. Pemberton was selling Coca-Cola's medical aspects. Coke was marketed as a wonderful brain tonic that removes the headache and relieves pain. Unfortunately, he died in 1888, but before dying, he sold his company for $23,000 to Asa Candler. Candler didn't market Coke as a medicine, but as a tasty relaxing drink. Coke shows a connection with warfighters and patriotism because it helps the soldiers to take relief from body pains. The original Coke bottle got its shape from a cocoa bean. Coca-Cola's typography is trademarked. You won't use its font-span Syrian script, which is handwritten in nature. There are at least 16 different flavors of Coca-Cola. In 1985, Coca-Cola became the first soft drink to go to space. Delhi Center of Science and Environment found pesticides in Coke samples, which cause cancer if you regularly used it. But in spite of so much criticism, what made it a successful business all around the world? The answer is that they sell emotions not products and considers marketing as an investment, not an expense.